Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can dominate the DTI runway with this fierce Queen of Hearts outfit simple for dress to impress. So let me show you how to layer the reds, blacks and golds and find the perfect crown and accessories to embody Wonderland's most iconic villain. So let's just get started. So first let me show you the hair that I use. So I'm using all this hair from the up to hair category, but for this one use it without the bangs, and this is the color that I use for the hair. You can copy this hex code. And for this accessory, so I'm using this hat piece, this flower hat piece as the crown, because I don't have the crown, I don't have VIP. And you can change the color into gold in metallic or glitter material. Here's the hex code, and here is the adjustment for this one. So change the positions Y into 57 and also adjust the scale to only 29. Now let's just make the outfit. So first I'm going to go to the women's section and put on the top first. This top right here, just change the second color into this yellow or gold color like this. And now you can go to the dressing room, click on the currency tab and use this top from the witch set. Change the second color into this fishnet patterns, and the stitching just leave it as it is, and the lace change it into red, also the closer. Now put on this strawberry dress and toggle it into sleeves only, change the color into black and red. Put on the sleeves, and in black color I'm going to make it in silk, also with the previous items. It will go like this. And now put on the skirt from the witch set, change the color into red. Then I'm going to combine it with the skirt. First color red, and the second and the third black in silk. And now go to the code item tabs and put on this necklace in gold color and also this dress. So for the first color you can just go with black and oil, and next one red color in silk. Okay, so once you're done in here you can just put on some accessory. I'm going to use this necklace right here, toggle it into number 2 and change the first color to gold and the second one into this red color. So this will be the final look for Queen of Hearts in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next one.